What is up, guys? It is day 2 with Mike in Pennsylvania, and they're about to do a tandem jump. Oh my God. Oh, this is a terrible idea. Ah! Ah! That Hellcat whine. Mike's never taken this lifted Jeep off the jump yet.
It's true.
It kind of looks like not the best jumping vehicle.
Well, Jeeps, I mean, we know they're not necessarily super stable to begin with.
Yeah.
And now we're
so why don't we just jump it? This one I'm much more nervous for because we've never done this.
Just go end over end. It's
oh, please don't say that. Oh, this is scary. Oh! Oh!
It definitely goes way
that
more
is way
down.
more sketch.
Yeah, I only did that at like 26, so that
Wow.
was significantly slower, and it's still like...
I was about to try that for the first time at 30 miles an hour.
That back
so
end
that
was still up a little bit. I think you would have been honestly fine, but yeah, that's fun.
I don't like this idea.
Here we go.
All right.
Well, he wanted the Rex, which he can do if he wants, but that's like too easy. This is like slightly terrifying. Look at you in your little Jeep. Things like 3 feet long. The second you leave the ground, you're instantly nose down. But Parker, whatever you do, don't bail out.
I'm not gonna do that.
Because you either, once you reach a certain point, you have to do it.
Not 25.
Yeah, I think 25 is too low.
25's dead.
Because you know what? With those tires on it, I bet you 25 is 30 in that. That's why it was so fast. What's the over-under on whether he dies?
I bet that something breaks on the Jeep.
You think? No, the Jeep's not gonna. Jeeps are, yeah.
No, he's gonna hit it hard, and that 38's gonna tuck up in there and rip something.
Well, if it destroys a fender line, he's ripping the thing already. He just hits it at like 45 and just lands straight on the nose and rolls.
All right, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually extremely nervous to do this. The TRX seemed a lot safer, but we're just gonna go. All right, 26, 27. Woo!
Here he goes. I like the approach. Dude, that was, whatever speed he did was perfect. Wow. Good job, Parker.
It's a fine line, though, where it's like...
Now he rolls. What's great about that Jeep too, Steve, that's the 4-banger turbo. It's freaking fast.
Really?
Yeah, it's fast on 38s.
You want to talk about a car that's fast that you would never know?
The Saturn?
That thing will beat
They're cool, yeah.
That thing will beat the TRX.
I don't know about that,
I
but...
would bet money on it.
It was scary
Perfect.
until I landed.
Yeah. You did very good.
What's next? We gotta jump the Saturn, for sure.
Yeah, if Steve's all about, first of all,
Come on, Steve.
Steve just said this, and you'll have it on your vlog. He literally just said to me that Saturn is faster than my T-Rex.
What?
There's no way on planet Earth.
Let's go.
I'm telling you.
We're doing off-road. I'll give
First
you
one to the ramp.
We'll do off-road. I'll give you a
I can't
car
do
length.
off-road. You're 4-wheel drive.
So you guys race from the start, and then whoever goes off the ramp first wins. We're in Steve's race car.
Oh, traction control was on.
Oh, okay. Well,
Yeah.
that's why I wasn't quite full bore here.
So it knocked us. Oh, and the AC.
Yeah, get all that off.
All things that matter.
Let's do a 40 roll. See what this thing is like. It's actually not bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna totally lie to Mike though and say it's one of the fastest cars I've ever been in.
Oh, for sure. Would beat the Aventador too.
It's definitely faster than this Aventador.
kicking on and off.
Oh, we're not going fast enough.
Oh, they're not even.
We're get aboard. Oh my God, we're hitting a jump in a Saturn. Oh,
We are. It's gonna be epic.
I hope so. Oh my God.
Parker's in there. Oh, good Lord. He's really going to do it? He's really going to do it. Here he comes.
Do you remember what speed you have to hit this at?
God. Oh my God. No, he's not going to do it. Oh my God. Ah!
Oh. Oh my God. All right, we lift.
Epic.
Whew. That's fast. Oh, that was good. That was good.
Steve is back.
Steve. I didn't think you were going to do it. Oh, Steve, your bumper.
No, you're good. You're good.
Parker's never getting back in a car.
No, Parker will never get in a car with you again. That'll pop back in, I'm sure.
I told you it was gonna be mild.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that was mild, right? Is it a total loss?
No, there's no crack.
No,
You're
no.
good on this side still. So what'd you tell him? You're like, we're not actually hitting. I'm just lining it up.
I do gotta say, it's way faster than you'd expect. I think it smoked your TRX.
Yeah, I think now you're just trying to get us right.
It started absolutely pouring rain, so we're hiding in Mike's forest right now. And check out what I found. His Exoskeleton Chevy Blazer just sitting here, abandoned. we really got to get this thing up and running. Mike said just a simple fuse should fix the car and it'll start right up. I really want to drive this thing around because it looks absolutely insane. But before we continue, I'd like to give a special shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Upstart. Unfortunately, so many Americans over the past year have suffered from financial hardships. The good news is Upstart is here to help you regain your footing and get back on track. Upstart is a super fast and easy way to pay off all of your debt with a personal loan done completely online. Whether it's paying off credit card debt or your car note, over 500,000 people have used Upstart to get one fixed monthly payment. Upstart realizes you are more than just your credit score and is providing more access to affordable credit. Unlike other lenders, Upstart considers your income and current employment to find you a smarter rate for your loan. Literally within 5 minutes online, you can see your rate up front for loans ranging from $1,000 to $50,000. And the craziest part is you can receive funds as quick as 1 business day after accepting your loan. Find out how Upstart can lower your monthly payments today by going to upstart.com/VV. That's upstart.com/VV. Make sure to use my link so they know I sent you, upstart.com/VV. Let's get on to the video. I am soaking wet. Well, Mike found out he has pumpkins on his land.
Babe, we have pumpkins growing on our property.
Oh, babe, thanks.
Yeah, you got it.
All these turkeys must have watched the last vlog. They're trying to send it over the jump. Oh, there they go.
Are they going?
They're going.
They're jumping.
Go. Is this what you do out here?
Yeah.
Do a burnout.
Why is he in the car now?
I don't know. What is he about to do? The Viper looks so ridiculous in the grass. What an epic day. Fanciest lawnmower I've ever seen. That's actually incredible. Roll race. Man, those TRXs are so cool looking. We're so close to the Hershey's chocolate factory, it actually smells like chocolate in the air, which is incredible. Getting this thing cleaned up after its unbelievable adventure. Look at all that grass coming out. Yeah, wow. So it's unfortunately pouring rain. We had, what are you doing?
I was just gonna walk back and forth behind you.
Unfortunately, it started to pour rain. We had all these epic plans. Now we're gonna go go-karting, and I'm gonna kick your butt.
Dude, you're gonna lose.
I'm gonna destroy you.
He's the lightest.
He is the lightest.
Parker's about to come dead last.
Could you imagine?
I'm gonna be
first.
first. I've never done it
Absolutely
before
dead last.
either. It's like my home.
I've never driven a car.
Wow.
I'm a virgin. Just showed up to the go-karting spot. Mike's already full of excuses. He's said so many different excuses, it's ridiculous.
I've never done this before.
Uh-huh.
I ate a lot this morning.
No, you don't eat.
Yeah, I drank a lot of water.
Yeah.
I'm very heavy. I'm laden with weight right now.
So I didn't realize this is what you meant by go-karts.
Yeah. Yeah, this is.
Could you imagine? All right, I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to go.
Oh, wow.
That is a good look on you.
Is it?
Yeah. All right, guys, good luck. Let's just take a moment to appreciate how incredible these photos are. Time to see the results.
Okay. Oh, here we go.
Alright guys, so results are right here.
All right.
Looks like vehicle versions, you got that one.
Woo!
So good job, mate.
So Mike lost so badly at go-karting, he had to take me to his merchandise facility to reassert his dominance, and it's very effective. I'm not gonna lie, dude. This place is pretty damn cool. Congratulations on the new facility.
Thank you very much. I was just getting part of the tour. We've come pretty far in 2 years.
I'll say.
But this is sweet.
This is like, it's like the dream, man. That is a big American flag.
Yeah, so that was really Shane's vision to mix a functional space with also like an aesthetic.
A dysfunctional space?
Yes, and also so Shane and I could be idiots. So he was like, what if we did an accent wall? And I'm like, all right, cool, I'll get a custom flag made. So we had a huge flag made down in Texas, brought that in. And the light stays on at 24/7, which is pretty cool.
That is crazy. So you guys actually developed a body kit for the C8?
Yeah, so we have our own C8 kits coming out. It's 717 Aero. And
I love it.
This is it right here.
It actually looks really good.
Yeah, well, thank you. And it's production ready. Yeah, Shane deserves the credit for that for sure. He worked really hard on that for a long time, getting it the way he liked it. I had some minimal inputs on it, but I think together we got a sweet
Yeah,
look on it. We
good
offered
work, Shane.
Forged carbon and carbon fiber, and we're going to be offering the full kit, front, side, and our wing. Which I really like our wing.
That does look pretty cool.
Yeah, you don't see any, like, there's no really cool looking duckbills in my opinion that really flow well with the car, and I think this one does. So, yeah, they'll be available really soon.
Well, it sounds like I need to start selling some merchandise and doing giveaways.
I think you should.